Documentaries. I was watching this 4-hour documentary on the invention of the straw. Now, don't ask me why I'm watching it, because I'm taping it. But the man who invented the straw had to be the laziest man on earth. Because think about it. This was too much work for this fucking dude. There's gotta be a better way to get the liquid from here to my fucking head. No, something more. Perhaps a straw. Oh, Lordy Lou. Yeah. I was watching this thing about the orangutan. Have you seen them?